We are here to introduce our project called Dogproof. Stray dogs and puppies who wander on the streets cause road accidents and are usually victims of those accidents. While most statistics only report on the deaths of people, there are also a large number of animals that die due to road accidents. There were some initiatives to protect dogs from road accidents. One such initiative was to prevent the street dogs from getting killed in the night by colliding with the vehicles. They tagged animals with reflective collars. A research group led by Professor Shinichi Ohokoshi has developed high performance thermal storage ceramics tritanium pentoxide that can store latent heat energy for a long period and release the heat energy upon demand by applying an extremely low pressure. Yoshikiyo confirmed that the necessary pressure to induce a phase transition is lower than the pressure we apply when writing with your pen, and the heat energy released can increase the temperature of the material up to 87 degrees Celsius, and the transition is instant. This temperature can cause a minor burn sensation without harming organisms. We propose to create a band on either side of the road with this material to prevent dogs from entering into the road. When dogs step on it, due to the pressure applied by their weight, this material will get hot and will cause a burning sensation. Dogs are frequently assessed in a veterinary setting to detect signs of lameness. We use this data to conclude what should be the width of the band so that dogs won't be able to cross the band and enter the road. According to the data, the length of an Indian breed Parai dog usually found on streets is 48 to 62 centimeter. So we decided to keep the width of the band as 40 centimeter so that dogs won't be able to enter the road without walking through the band. Since humans wear sandals, the heat won't cause any harm to the people, even if they walk on it. We also propose to mix color with the ceramic material to make it look like tar, so that when they step on it, due to the heat released by the material, the dogs won't try to walk on the road, since the road will be indistinguishable from the ceramic material. We also believe this can reduce the urban heat island effect since it can absorb heat energy and only release it when pressure is applied. This, however, may need some more research to implement.